All right, stop scrolling, drop everything. And let's talk about the one workout that's been around since forever. The one workout that doesn't care if you're at the gym, in the park, or in your living room. It's the workout that might just make you feel like a superhero without lifting a single dumbbell. Yep, we're talking about calisthenics. Before you go, Cali, what now? Stick around because this might just be the best-kept fitness secret of all time. And no, you don't need a fancy gym membership or equipment that looks like it belongs in NASA's lab. Oh, and by the way, before we jump into the juicy details, make sure you hit that like button and smash subscribe for more fitness fun, tips, and a lot of laughs. So, calisthenics, let's get this straight. This isn't some fancy new fitness trend. In fact, it's probably older than your grandpa's dance moves. But unlike grandpa's moves, calisthenics are actually making a major comeback. Why? Because it works. Picture this: you, me, your ancestors, yep, even the cavemen doing calisthenics. They didn't have treadmills or Pilates classes, they had the ground, trees, and their own bodies, and honestly, that's all you need. Calisthenics is all about using your own body weight to build strength, flexibility, and let's be real, look good. And in a world filled with overpriced protein powders and gym selfies, sometimes we need to get back to basics. And speaking of protein powders, don't even get me started on how calisthenics health taps into the body's ability to naturally improve without loading up on all that extra stuff. Fun fact, studies show that 75% of people who focus on bodyweight exercises like calisthenics see improvements in their strength and flexibility within just a few months. That's right, you can get stronger by simply lifting yourself. No barbells, no dumbbells, just you and the ground. I mean, who knew the most effective piece of workout equipment was literally you? And trust me, you're never too old or too out of shape to start. Whether you're rocking abs or trying to get rid of that extra taco belly, don't worry, I've been there. Calisthenics is for everyone. Now, if you're thinking calisthenics sounds too good to be true, let's break down some science. According to Marianne Rodriguez, research shows that calisthenics workouts improve overall cardiovascular health, increase muscle endurance, and here's the kicker, can actually help prevent injuries because you're not lifting those crazy heavy weights. Instead, you're working with what your body already has. It's like a cheat code for fitness, except it's not cheating because you're doing the work. So you get fit and stay healthy while also looking like a total ninja. Plus, the variety is push-ups, pull-ups, squats, dips, planks, leg raises. I mean, how much more fun can it get? And let's talk about pull-ups for a second. You know that moment when you do your first ever pull-up and you feel like you just conquered Mount Everest? Yeah, calisthenics can give you that feeling over and over again. And it's not just about looking good, though let's be honest, that's a nice bonus. It's about building endurance and creating a body that works you, not against you. Whether you're an athlete or someone just trying to be able to keep up with your kids, calisthenics helps your body move better in real life. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Let me be real with you for a sec. Calisthenics might sound easy, but trust me, that first time you try a pistol squat, your legs are going to scream at you. Oh, and don't get me started on the plank. Holding yourself in place while trying to keep your core from collapsing, it's a love-hate relationship, but hey, no pain, no gain, right? So why should you consider adding calisthenics to your fitness routine? Let's sum it up. It's cheap, effective, doesn't require fancy equipment, and it can be done literally anywhere. Plus, it's scalable, meaning you can make it as easy or as hard as you need it to be. And if you're someone who travels a lot or just doesn't have time for the gym, you can bust out a few squats and push-ups in your hotel room or even during your Netflix binge. No excuses. And remember that statistic I mentioned earlier about how 75% of people see improvements in strength and flexibility with calisthenics? Well, there's even more to it. Research cited in the article by Marianne Rodriguez shows that people who do bodyweight exercises also have improved mental health. Yeah, that's right. It's not just your body that gets stronger, but your brain too. So while you're working on those killer abs, your mind is also becoming a fortress of positivity and focus. So there you have it. Calisthenics is not just an old-school workout that your great-grandparents used to do. It's a timeless, efficient, and downright awesome way to get fit, stay healthy, and feel incredible. And trust me, your body will thank you. Now that you know the secret to fitness success, what are you waiting for? Get up, get moving, and start your calisthenics journey today. And hey, if you learned something new or had a laugh, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and comment below. What's your favorite calisthenics move? I want to know. Until next time, keep moving and stay awesome.